What's good, guys? It's Seth with SN22. Let's look at Illuvium and my short-term, medium-term, and end of bull run price targets for Illuvium. I have added timestamps in the description below, so feel free to skip around. But now, since the market is ruled by short-term emotions, let's quickly look at the fear and greed index. So the index is currently sitting at 34, showing that there's still fear in the market. But like I've always said on this channel, and will repeat on this channel, this is just part of the regular market cycle where we go from fear to greed, fear to greed. We are currently fearful from all the news about the new variant, but we are human beings and we also have greed in us. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people will start taking advantage of the cheaper prices in the market at the moment, and it will push us back in greed. But now let's look at the Bitcoin chart with the logarithmic curves. So on the chart now, we see that Bitcoin is trading in this danger zone over here, right? There's a lot of risk in this zone over here. In 2017, we hit this level and then we fell in price, right? In 2013, we touched this level again and then we fell in price. We are in that zone at the moment. So if Bitcoin gets enough volume to push us out of this zone over here, then that will be the first time we've ever pushed out of this zone, right? And that would be good for Bitcoin, and it will push us higher, right? But be careful out there, guys. If Bitcoin dumps, then expect Illuvium to dump as well. Now let's look at Illuvium from the lower time frame to the higher time frame. Starting with the 4-hour chart, we see that Illuvium is at the moment trading at $1,894, and it's also trading in this broadening ascending wedge pattern, right? And this broadening ascending wedge pattern is usually a bearish signal, and it normally predicts price will fall lower, right? But since we are in the bull market, and assuming that Bitcoin does not drop, if Bitcoin does not drop, then I think it is possible that Illuvium will break out of this pattern. So Illuvium will break out of this pattern, push higher, and it is possible that it will go touch the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, or about $2,000, the $2,424, right? So that will be my short-term price target, my short-term bullish price target if Illuvium manages to break out of this pattern, right, and push higher. But in case that does not happen and Illuvium is not able to break out of this pattern and push higher, then Illuvium will probably break below this support line over here, right? It will fall below the support line, and it will play out the broadening ascending wedge pattern, right? And it will fall, and price could fall all the way down over here to the base of the pattern, right? And the base of the pattern, the price at that base of the pattern is between $500 and $600. But if the market stays bullish, if Bitcoin stays bullish, then I don't think we'll drop all the way down to $500. I think we'll drop to the 3H2 Fibonacci extension level, or about $1,308, right? And at this level also, we see that the VPVR confirms that a lot of a high volume of Illuvium were traded at this price line, right? So we'll probably get some support over here, and also we have the trend line over here also in confluence with it, right? So a lot of things will point to Illuvium getting some support at this price level, right? But now let's look at some indicators. Let's look at the RSI. The RSI shows Illuvium is gaining strength in the lower time frame. The trend is upwards over here, and but there's also something concerning over here, right? The RSI is currently at 67, so it is getting close to being overbought. But we see from past history that Illuvium, the RSI on the 4-hour could go as high as 90. So I will not worry about that at the moment, but be careful out there, guys. All right, it is possible that we see a pullback within the week. All right, but now let's look at the MACD. Let me switch to the MACD chart, and with the MACD on the chart now, we see that the MACD line, the blue line, is currently above the signal line, the orange line, right? So things are looking good for Illuvium. Definitely, it is possible that Illuvium will push higher from here, and will head towards my short-term price target at $2,400, right? The squeeze momentum is also confirming the positive gain of momentum in the MACD, right? So things are looking good, definitely, for Illuvium. From the daily chart, the broadening ascending wedge pattern is still the most notable pattern on the chart, right? So no new information over here. My medium-term price target for Illuvium, when we manage to break above the 1.618, or when we manage to break above $2,400, my medium-term price target for Illuvium then will be at the 2.618 Fibonacci extension level, or about $3,326, right? That will be my next price target for Illuvium. Now for my end of bull run price target for Illuvium, since we do not have enough candles on the chart in the weekly for Illuvium, I will not be able to use my logarithmic regression curves, right? So I'll be using the Fib circles to help me estimate the end of bull run price target for Illuvium, right? So with the Fib circles on the chart now, I will put my end of bull run price target for Illuvium is at the 3.618 Fib curve, which sits about $3,800, right? So somewhere in between $3,800 and $4,000, that is where I will place my end of bull run price target for Illuvium. Now make sure to help our brother out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. My name is Seth and I make crypto content that makes you more money. So if making more money with cryptos is something you are interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications as well. And let me know what other coin you would like for me to cover in the comment section.